Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you people are quite fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Class 4, this is your math lesson and here is your teacher Javeria Asghar. Welcome to DPS Sahiwal online classes. Nowadays we are discussing unit number 1, numbers and arithmetic operations. Our today's topic is subtraction of numbers up to 6 digits. First of all, write the numbers vertically. Subtract the numbers up to 6 digits. Subtract 500 from the given numbers. Our today's objectives are: by the end of the lesson, my students will be able to write the numbers vertically, subtract the numbers up to 6 digits, and the last one, subtract 500 from the given numbers. In class 3, we have learned the subtraction of 3 and 4-digit numbers. Recall these subtraction questions. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. When we subtract 1154 from 2274, we get the answer 1120. Now we are going to discuss how to subtract big numbers. Write your numbers in columns carefully. This is the place value chart. Start from right to left. Always remember, start with ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, then 100,000. We have to subtract 100 from 300, 5,103. First of all, write them vertically. See the first column. Start from right. 3 minus 0 will be 3. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. There is nothing to be subtracted from 5, so we write 5 here. In the next column, there is nothing to be subtracted from 0, so we write 0 here. And there is nothing to be subtracted from 3, so we write 3 here. We can see from here, when we subtract 100 from 305,103, we get the answer 305,003. This was the procedure of our subtraction questions. Now we are going to start our today's lesson. 36,738 minus 12,849. Start from right. 9 cannot be subtracted from 8, so we have to take 1 carry from next column. Then we take 1 carry from 3. 8 will become 18 and 3 will become 2 after giving 1 carry to the next column. When we subtract 9 from 18, we get the answer 9. Look at the next column. 4 cannot be subtracted from 2, so we have to take 1 carry from next column. When we take 1 carry from 7, 7 will become 6 and 2 will become 12. When we subtract 4 from 12, we get 8. See the next column. 8 cannot be subtracted from 6, so we have to take 1 carry from next column, that is 6. When we take 1 carry from 6, 6 will become 5 and 6 from the previous column will become 16. When we subtract 8 from 16, answer will be 8. Now look at the next column. 2 minus 5 will be 3. Now the last column is, we have to subtract 1 from 3, the answer will be 2. 36,738 minus 12,849 gives us answer 23,889. Our next example is, write these vertically and subtract. 256,704 minus 103,028. Write them vertically. We cannot subtract 8 from 4. We have to take carry from the next column, but in the next column we have 0. It cannot give us 1 carry, so we have to look the next column. Here is 7. When we take 1 carry from 7, it will become 6, and look at the previous column, 1 will become 10, and when we take 1 carry for our first column from 10, 10 will become 9, and in the first column 4 will become 14. So 8 minus 14 will be 6, and then look at the next column. 9 minus 2 will be 7. Look at the next column. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Look at next column. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Look at next column. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. And the last column is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 256,704 minus 103,028 gives us answer 153,676. Our next example, start from right. 0 minus 0. It will be 0. Look at the next column. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. The next column is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Here nothing to be subtracted from 5, so we write 5 here. In the next column, nothing to be subtracted from 8, so we write 8 here. In the next column, nothing to be subtracted from 3, so we write 3 here. When we subtract 500 from 385,620, we get the answer 385,120. Look at the next example. Our next example is subtract 500 from 5,400. Write them vertically. Look at the first column. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. In the next column, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Look at the next column. We cannot subtract 5 from 4. We have to take 1 carry from next column, which is 5. When we take 1 carry from 5, 4 will become 14, 5 will become 4. Then we subtract 5 from 14, we get answer 9. Now come to the next column. Here is nothing to be subtracted from 4, so we write 4 here. Look at the next column. Here nothing to be subtracted from 0, so we write 0 here. Look at the next column. Here nothing to be subtracted from 5, so we write 5 here. 500 minus 500 gives us answer 500, 4,900. It is your assessment time. I have multiple choice questions for you. First one is subtract 100 from 810,000. Take your copy and pencil and start doing your sums. These are your options. First one is 800, 9,900. Second one is 367,531. Next one is 174,531. Last one is 1,773,587. Second one, you have to find the difference between 99,999 and 5,000. Hurry up, solve it very carefully. Your first option is 89,999. Second one, 94,999. Third one is 80,001. And the last one is 8,000. Your third question is subtract 500 from 500,000. Your options are, first one is 580,000. Second one is 409,000. Third one is 499,500. And the last one is 589,999. Do you have solved your sums? The answer of first one will be the first option. Check your answer, 809,900. The answer of second one will be 94,999. And the answer of last one is 499,500. Check your answers carefully. Students, have you done your sums correctly? Very well done. Now it is your home assignment time. You have to solve the following questions. First one is take away 874,528 from 900,059. Second one is subtract 500 from 69,010. The next question, write these vertically and subtract. First one is 200,031 minus 189,764. Next one is 750,000 minus 125,255. Do your sums carefully. Thank you, students. Allah Hafiz.